Too many inactive friends or someone spamming invites? Here's the updated way to unfriend or unfollow players in MLBB. Start by tapping your profile picture in the top left. Then, head into the Friends tab, scroll down and find the friend you want to remove. Tap on their name to open their profile. Now, tap the three dots in the corner or the More button. Select Unfriend or Unfollow, then confirm when it asks. You can also check your Followers tab to unfollow people silently without removing them as friends. Don't want random invites? Go to Settings, then Privacy, and disable friend requests entirely. Under Social Settings, you can also turn off friend suggestions and auto-add features for a cleaner experience. And that's it. Your friends list is now clean, and your game is clutter-free. Got annoying players? Now you know what to do. Like this video, follow for more MLBB tips, and drop a comment if this helped.